today to talk about our 2024 Everybody Reads campaign. And this year our theme is Rain or Shine, Everybody Reads.
It is hard to believe this is the third year.
Yeah.
Already, our third Everybody Reads. It's been a great partnership.
Yeah, the past few years have gone so well in fact that I'm willing to wear this rain hat
Yes, that we
and battle
love.
this weather, battle this rain so that we can
Heavy
do it
rain.
again, rain or shine, with another great year for Everybody Reads.
Well, now that the sun is out, so I'm Lucy from Siouxland Libraries.
And I'm Jane Stavum, the superintendent of the Sioux Falls School District.
And I'm Paul Tenhaken, the mayor of the city of Sioux Falls.
All right, so let's focus on the partnership of things. So tell us more about who's all working together.
And this is such a great partnership for our whole city, and it involves Reach Literacy, it involves some corporate partners, and then the school district of Sioux Falls and the city of Sioux Falls. And this is year 3.
It's year 3, and it's gotten bigger every year. And I
It
think
has
the
gotten
more the merrier. So when we talk about getting kids to read, we know it's super important, but you know, that's the thing about reading. It's not just important during Everybody Reads, it's important all year long.
So what are some of the goals we're trying to achieve with this year's program?
Well, one of the big things, of course, is I think we want to get people to read. So if you have maybe taken a little break from reading, or you have not read as much as you maybe set a goal that you wanted to read more and you maybe haven't fulfilled that, this is a great time to jump in, because you can feel like you're being part of something bigger. To reach 300,000 books, which I think you're going to talk about, which is our goal, we're going to need everybody to be part of this, whether you're an infant or whether you're over 100. Last year we said 1 to 99, and then I had someone reach out to me and said, well, I'm 101 and I'm doing Everybody Reads.
It's for everybody.
It's for everybody,
Right.
yeah.
Yeah, to get to that 300,000 is really our goal, because then we also have some financial incentive. We're going to give a donation of $1,500 to Reach Literacy.
Nice. All right, and so tell us about just some of the general benefits of reading. Why is it important?
Well, we talk about the importance of reading being your entire life, and that's really true with our babies. We want parents spending that time with infants and toddlers. There's brain development and language development that happens. And then in those elementary years, as our children are learning how to read and growing in their love of reading, they're partnering with their teachers, they're learning what they like, they're learning their library skills, and that's what carries them to middle and high school and beyond. When they know kind of what genres they love to read, they connect it with writing and writing some of their own things that other people read. And then just reading for enjoyment. As we become adults, we know that that's just a big part of how we keep ourselves growing as people, maybe in learning how to do something more effectively, or just reading because we enjoy a really good book.
So it's not just the public schools are doing this, but also...
Yeah, that's right. Our public libraries, we're actually in one of our public libraries right now as we're filming this. Those are great places to go and participate in the program. And it's important if you're watching this and you think, man, maybe now's the time when I should finally get my library card. Go get one. It's quick, it's easy. Lucy and her team, they make it very easy to get your library card. Just stop at any library and get a card.
All right, any last thoughts on Everybody Reads?
Well, the dates, March 1st through the 22nd, 300,000 is the goal. And we're just hoping that everybody gets a great book. Maybe if you've taken a little break, or maybe your book club hasn't been meeting, now is a really good time to get back into it, get those books, and then start keeping track, post them on the website, and we'll have 300,000 drops before we know it.
Grab a book, fill out a raindrops, you see them in the library, get your library card if you don't have one. It's a great time to maybe make a commitment to reading again. Maybe reading has kind of fallen off your radar a little bit for a while. Good chance to say, hey, I'm going to try and get to that 300,000 in community with everybody else and be a part of that goal. So readers are leaders, and Everybody Reads is a great time to try and reach that goal for the community.
All right, well, thank you so much.
Thanks, Lucy.
Thanks.